Welcome to the Tech Mechanic. Today's breakdown is part of our Azure Cloud Architecture Master Series. If you want the full roadmap from our series, hit the playlist from the start. Every episode builds your skills to help you become a confident engineer, cloud specialist, or cloud architect. With that said, let's dive into today's topic. When we say, deploy your application to Azure, where does it actually go? Does Microsoft have one giant server? One massive data center? The answer is no. Azure operates one of the world's largest cloud infrastructures, with hundreds of data centers spread across the globe. Understanding this infrastructure is one of the first skills every Azure solution architect must master. Azure isn't a single location. It's a global network of data centers connected by Microsoft's high-speed private backbone. These facilities provide computing, storage, networking, AI, databases, and many other cloud services. When you deploy an application to Azure, it runs inside one of these physical data centers. A data center is a highly secure building filled with thousands of servers, storage systems, and networking equipment. It also includes backup power, advanced cooling systems, fire protection, and multiple internet connections. These are the physical foundations of cloud computing. Azure organizes its infrastructure into regions. A region is a specific geographic area containing one or more data centers. For example, Central India, East US, and West Europe are Azure regions. When deploying an application, architects choose the region closest to their users to reduce latency. Suppose your customers are in India. Hosting your application in Central India provides much faster response times than hosting it in the United States because the data travels a much shorter distance. Choosing the right region improves user experience and reduces network latency. Within many Azure regions, Microsoft provides availability zones. Each zone is an independent data center with separate power, cooling, and networking. If one zone experiences a failure, applications running across multiple zones continue operating with little or no interruption. Azure also pairs regions together. If an entire region becomes unavailable due to a natural disaster or major outage, workloads can be recovered in the paired region. This helps businesses maintain continuity during large-scale failures. Microsoft also operates edge locations around the world. Frequently accessed content such as images, videos, and website files is stored closer to users. This reduces loading times and improves the experience for customers worldwide. Imagine you are building a shopping application for Indian customers. As the solution architect, you would likely deploy it in the Central India region. If the application later expands into North America, you might deploy another instance in East US, giving both user groups fast and reliable access. Solution architects don't choose regions randomly. They evaluate customer locations, legal requirements, latency, disaster recovery needs, and cost. The right region can significantly improve application performance and reliability. Let's summarize. Azure is built on a global network of secure data centers. These data centers form regions. Regions contain availability zones for resilience. Region pairs support disaster recovery, and edge locations deliver content closer to users. Every Azure service you learn later runs on this global foundation. In the next video, we'll take our first hands-on step into Azure by exploring the Azure portal and understanding how all Azure resources are organized. Whether your goal is to become a solution architect, cloud architect, AI architect, or simply a better software engineer, the Tech Mechanic is your learning destination. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead in your tech journey.